It's October, which means it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Our friends over at King Cut Drill Bits have made a special set of their 29-piece job release drill bits in a pink case just for breast cancer awareness. $10 of your purchase is going to go towards the Susan G. Komen Foundation for Breast Cancer Research. They're $159, so definitely get your set. You can click them onto your toolbox at the King Cut website and click below.
Looking for my lip gloss and my liner. Looking for me, told him meet me at the diner. Got him smiling cause he know I outshine her. Had to pop her just to remind her. Easy little hoe, don't know my MO. If I went your number, then just let him go. Can't sit in my seat, can't sit in my row. He been said I'm yes, he been said you know.